on.
I'm going to take you through what we're going to do this afternoon in the laboratory. We're going to measure the molar volume of butane instead of hydrogen. We're going to do it using these lighters, and how we're going to do it is what's called water displacement. So I want you to imagine that you've got a trough of water and you're holding above the trough either a large measuring cylinder or a gas jar full of water. It's full, not even a bubble at the top, full of water. And you're going to get your hand, and I'm going to try and draw a hand. I'm not very good at hands. There we go. This is my hand. And you're holding the lighter underneath here while pressing with your thumb, so that thumb has to be quite big, pressing down, holding it on to release the gas. So essentially you're going to release the butane, because this is a butane lighter. This is actually liquid. You're going to release so that you're collecting the gas. Now before that, you have to record a lot of data, otherwise what you collect is meaningless. So when you get over there, you're going to look up what the actual pressure is at the bottom side, meteorology. So pressure, what's today's pressure at where we are, is probably the airport would be the closest. What the temperature is exactly. And you're going to measure the mass of your cigarette lighter. Well, they're not called cigarette lighters, they're of your lighter. Your butane lighter. I'll put the word butane in there. So you should set up a table of data before you start the experiment and write these values in. And then afterwards, you're going to release all your gas, and it's going to displace the water inside here. And you're going to be able to, if it's a measuring cylinder, you're going to be able to measure how much it is. Now there's going to be error. You can see there's going to be error, isn't there? So you're thinking about that the whole time. But you're going to measure the volume that you collect of your butane, because it's by displacement of water. So when you finish, you carefully slide a glass top over that, and you'll be able to invert it. That's if you wanted to see how much water you displaced, but in this case you can just read the volume straight off. So once you've done that, you would record the volume of your butane, and then you would record. You have to dry this very thoroughly. There's another error for you. It's very hard to dry a wet lighter, so you dry the dry used lighter. What does that enable you to work out? How much mass of butane was released. And then from all of this data, you're going to be able to work out, from using the same method that I showed you on the previous example, have the experimental molar volume of butane, which you're going to use Avogadro's law and stoichiometry to work out. So I'll see you this afternoon. Are there any questions?